Sabi to. Ayos, ano mo. Sige. So, yun. Maraming salamat, brother.
Ma-open ang tulog.
May ano pa ako, Pampanga pa ako. Talagang hindi tayo walang sa
Ito.
Hindi, sama ko si Boss Toyo. Ayun.
Bayan.
Dapat yung isasama ko kasi tulog.
Wata. Kasama.
Birthday niya, ang dami na kaya.
Sa kanya yan. Hindi man ako nakapunta. Yan.
Support natin yan.
Kasama. 21 meron siya.
Hindi kasi ano eh, may mga vlogger kasi na ano, pupunta rito para maghanap ng mali, maghanap ng butas. Alam mo yun, yun yung nakakainis eh. Hindi sa suportahan mo yung tao, tulungan mo, punta ka rito, maghanap ka ng mali, mag-vlog ka. Ang bait ng tao, tapos tatanggapin mo na maayos, sa vlog mo, ganun yung sinabi. Ano guys, baguhin nyo yun, baguhin nyo na yun. Hindi tama yun.
So ang gandang halimbawa niya, no? Kung walang-wala talaga, paano yan?
Kaya nagulat yun.
Diba? Bakit babash? Bakit siraan natin? Siya nga yung example. May pagkasa pa pala.
Dali pa ka na to.
Pagod na pagod talaga. Africa.
Hindi na tayo eh. Ayun na ito mo. Medyo tayo boss. Bilhin mo nga English speaking. Boss, split ako dyan. Bahala na. Boss, ito.
Pagka madukot
Boss, yung cellphone, boss.
Pilikan mana. Eh para sigurado.
1, 2, 3, gata.
O, tagpo ka dyan. O yan, okay na.
Sana pwede ako maka-akbay misgad na saglit. Salamat sa inyo po sa akin. Sige, salamat. Sana pwede ako maka-akbay saglit. At na nag-aakbay na ako. Kumusta pa rin? Umaya, wait. Ay, tama-tama. When you come back, I'll back.
I will back later.
I will be back.
Can you just
Yung mga nanalo si Diwata, oh.
Brother, how are you, brother?
When are you going to invite me to the next game? On May, ba?
No.
Be there.
Are you playing basketball?
Who's with you?
Ah, with Tuge.
Today.
Alright.
But on this one, I'll be back. I'll be there. I had an accident. That's why I couldn't be on the line.
Okay, so invite everyone in our
I mean, as you guys know, the men is kind of different here, motivating the youth, everybody. So, like me, I need to support those late. But anyways, yeah.
Are you supporting Diwata?
Yeah, of course, bro. I'm going to eat some pirates.
Alright.
Yeah? See you, brother.
What's your review on Diwata's Palace?
I was here like 2 weeks ago. It's good. Lame, masarap.
How many rice?
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Yeah.
Only rice.
Oh yeah, Ali right. Of course, every day, Ali. Samang nasa dito.
Yung Tagalog ka ba?
Huwag lang, basic. See you, bro. See you, bro. See you, bro. See you.
Ano? Tagalog ka ba?
Hindi, huwag lang, basic na lang. Basic.
I know split, you know?
I'm not bleeding Tagalog. Bro, come on.
Invite your supporters.
Support it, wait. I should invite everybody, right?
Okay. May 24 and 25.
Come guys, on May 24, it's gonna be in Marikina, diba?
Yeah.
You say I even know. So guys, it's gonna be in Marikina. You come, support the team.
Sino mga team mo?
Where will I play?
Sino? GK?
GK, yeah.
GK?
Yeah, probably GK. I'm gonna play on this side. I mean, also. So you guys come, play as much as you can. As you guys know, as I said, it's kind of different. Motivating everybody, bring everybody together.
Ilan taon ka sa Pilipinas ba?
3 years.
2 years na? May asawa ka? Pilipina?
Yes, meron.
Ilan anak?
Like how long? Right?
One Filipina only?
Isa lang.
Isa lang?
Yes. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy.
Alright, man.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you, man. So, yeah.
Okay, see you soon.
See you.
Okay,
On
see
May,
you
bro.
next week.
I'll be there, bro. I'll be there.
Thank you,
Thank you, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Alright, okay. So, sana.